Hello, ma'am. Are there any must-read editorials for today's edition?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials in the Hindu newspaper today, which are very important for UPSC examination perspective. So come, let's have a look. The first editorial is Flexible Inflation Targeting a Good Balance. Now, India has adopted Flexible Inflation Targeting FIT framework in 2016, and this is mandating the RBI to maintain inflation at 4% and plus minus 2%, which is ending in March 2026. And this framework is ending in March 2026 and is currently being reviewed. Now, why control inflation has been told in this paragraph? It ensures price stability, which helps consumers. It improves savings, investments, and growth. High or volatile inflation harms the poor the most. And the Chakravarti Committee has also been discussed, which was 1985, and this has also been discussed in this paragraph. Then what to target, what should RBI target has been discussed in this whole paragraph. And headline, inflation must remain the primary target. The idea that core inflation shows the true inflation trend is misleading. Monetary policy cannot ignore. So all these things have been mentioned in this paragraph. And lastly, this is on inflation band. So again a very important paragraph. Most researchers suggest the threshold level of inflation where growth is not heard. For India, empirical analysis has been done, and the current band of 2% to 6% is considered appropriate. So this editorial, this is very important for GS paper 3, which is Indian economy, and both prelims and mains it is very important. Then the second editorial is the Great Nicobar infrastructure involves a transshipment port, an airport, a power plant, a green field township, tourism facilities, and investment is 72,000 crore. Now the location is Great Nicobar Island, which is considered ecologically sensitive. Then there are multiple things that have been talked about in this article. A finger pointing on to the Environment Ministry, coastal regulation applies, and Galathia Bay is ecologically important. So all this has been talked in this article, and this article becomes very, very important for UPSC because it is relevant for UPSC GS paper 3, which is environment and ecology. And the key concepts are environmental impact assessment, EIA, biodiversity conservation, CRZ, role of statutory body, and environmental governance as well. And the relevance is both in prelims as well as mains. If you want a deeper analysis of these editorials, please do visit our DNA video. And that is it for today. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.